Bonjour, qui bienvenue. Hello and welcome to the French Crest. My name is Gaurav and I am a language tutor based in India. I have made this course to have you to learn and speak French. Through this course, you will be able to learn French language more easily and effectively without much of a struggle, usually associated with the language learning. If you have ever tried to learn a language before and have failed, well, then give this course a go because the course is perfect for novice. Before you start this video lesson, let me share you one very amazing fact with you. When most people start studying or learning something, they tend to spend hours and hours. Initially, however, sooner their keenness starts to dwindle. Therefore, in order to maintain the enthusiasm and for easy memorization of new language, I have created a very short videos to help you gain confidence and have a strong grip over the French language. Thank you so much and let's learn.